Welcome to the presentation about the identification and avoidance of static and dynamic obstacles on point cloud for UAV's navigation. To begin with, let me introduce the framework of our proposed method. The three main contributions are corresponding to the three submodules, and the message flow is shown with the arrow. The motion optimization object function and constraints are different depending on if there is moving obstacles. Then I want to review the HES method and show you the difference. The red dot is the waypoint for static method. It won't consider the obstacle velocity, and it may fail to find the safe waypoint next. The green dot is for dynamic method, and the green arrow is the planned relative velocity, which keeps a safe distance from the moving obstacle, and that is a more efficient way to pass. Here are two videos for the position and velocity estimation for moving obstacles. The filtered point cloud is shown in white points, and the colorful boxes present static obstacles. We can see the velocity obstacle detection is sensitive and the estimation is accurate and fluid. Here I will display the flight test in the simulation environment. For saving time, I show 4 clips to demonstrate the moving obstacle status estimation and the avoidance effect. We can see from the arrays that the moving obstacle is successfully detected and avoided. Finally, I will show you the flight test with real drone and depth camera. We set up tests with 3 scenarios. The first is only static boxes. The second is only dynamic obstacles. And at last, both of them exist. Thanks for your watching.